Apple Messages app has received several pretty neat features in iOS 18. However, the one that has gone a bit under the radar is the ability to format text and add text effects. Yeah, you got that right. You can now fine-tune the format of your text message and even add some eye-catching text effects so that your message will look and feel more elegant. That said, let me show you how to format and add text effects to your messages on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. So first up, you have to open the Messages app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now head over to a conversation thread and then tap on the text field and then type in the message that you want to send. Then you have to double tap on the text message. After that, tap on the forward arrow in the pop-up menu. Next up, you have to select the text effects option. And after that, you can choose the desired text format options such as bold, italic, and underline. It's worth pointing out that if you want to further enhance the look and feel of your text message, select the preferred text effects such as big, small, shake, nod, explode, ripple, bloom, and jitter. And once you have perfectly fine-tuned your message, tap on the send button and you are good to go. So that's how you can easily format text and add the cool text effects to your messages on your iPhone to spice up the conversation experience. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.